We're going to look at the components of pages of funnels. So if I just select into a funnel, and we're going to go to Edit Page. So this is where we can edit the layout, the feel, and the content. If you ever want to have a main background image in your funnel page or your funnel step, just go to Settings, Background, click on the photo icon, and you would upload an image that you wanted to be added. So you select the image, hit Add Image, and it will then put that image as the background of that funnel step. Pages are made up of 4 components. The first one is sections. So you can add additional sections if you wish. The second one is rows, and the third one is columns. So rows and columns live within a section, and within the rows and columns live elements. So if you want to add any, you just hover over the icons and hit Add Row, hover over columns, hover over sections, hover over elements. Let's walk through some of the elements. So you can have text elements, which have headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs, and bullet points. You can have media, which is images, pop-up images. You can have videos that pop up, and you can have audio. You can have different types of forms. So you can have a button. You can have where somebody inputs text. You can have where somebody selects something, a text area, and a checkbox headline. If you want to use SMS, you can add that in. You can add billing information, shipping information, and surveys. You can also add some countdown timers. So you can have minute timers, day timers, or this one you can configure to whatever you wish. You can have icons, images, navigation. If you wanted your web page to look like a website, you could add navigation. Normally with landing pages, we don't want the landing page to look like a website because we want the person to only have one action that they can do. We can have frequently asked questions. We can add in dividers, progress, image lists, pricing tables, and then your social media information as well. So the red section here is the section. The blue sections are the columns. The orange sections are the rows. And the green sections are the elements. To edit any of these, you just select which part you would like to edit and select Settings. And here you can go in and change all the information. You can change what it says. You can change the font. When you hover over an element or a row or a column, it gives you the ability to move it. So you could drag and drop it somewhere else. You can go into the settings area. You can clone, so you can duplicate that, or you can delete. Same thing with buttons. So you would just change the text on the button, and you can give that button an action so that when this button is pressed, it either submits the form, opens a pop-up, goes to a website, goes on to the next step of the funnel. You can have different themes if you want the colors to be changed. And with advanced, you can do some more style variations. So it's very easy. You just hover over whichever element you want to edit, select the settings, and edit as you wish. And all of the options, everything that you can do in each element is listed here. So if I want to change the image, I can. If I want to change the size and positioning, I can. The colors, everything. But that is the components of the pages. There's the section, the rows and the columns, and the elements that live within those sections. And they're all color coded. So the section is the red, the rows are the orange color, the columns are the blue color. There we go. And the elements are the green color.